Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. We are back with another interesting video. In this video, I will tell you about one of the best Google Chrome extension for ChatGPT, which will help you a lot, which will lessen your efforts, lessen your time, and which will definitely improve your efficiency to work. I hope so you will like this video. Let's start without wasting our time. Let me search ChatGPT. You can see that we have ChatGPT. You all know about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is something a revolutionary in artificial intelligence, which helps a lot to different peoples all around the world. So we have searched for ChatGPT. It is taking too long, but let me tell you one extension which is groundbreaking. Let me tell you, you need to type AIPRM extension for ChatGPT. I will also add the link in the description. What this extension will do, let me tell you. You need to go and click on this. I'm going to give you the overview of this extension. Here you can see that more than 2 billion people are using this extension right now, and we have a complete detail about this. Let me show you. Here you can see that we have AIPRM is your cheat code for ChatGPT. Add a list of curated prompts, templates, and advanced features. Try today. This is just theory. You can read about all the details here. But if you want to see practical, let me take you. I think this is taking too much time. Let me take you to another browser, which is definitely this ChatGPT. Here you can see that I have ChatGPT. Here you can see that I have uploaded hi. And if I want to add this extension, let me add this extension here. AIPRM for ChatGPT. You can also access this extension by the link I am giving you in the description. So click on this, add to Chrome. Ultimately, it will ask you whether you want to add it or not. You need to click on add extension, and ultimately this extension has been added. You need to click here to access chatgpt.com with all AIPRM features. You need to click on this. This is one of the best extension I have ever used for ChatGPT. Here you can see that we have a new interface of ChatGPT right now in front of us. Here you can see that it is taking time, but we need to, yes, they started. So what we need to do, we need to click on this and we need to open AIPRM extension. Okay, so after opening this, you need to reload this, and here you can see that we have these option. I think I have locked this. So I don't know why it's taking too long, but yes, you can see that. Wow, this is something very interesting. Here we have covered it. Let me take you to this. Here you can see that we have a lot of different options. If you want to write human written 100% unique SEO optimized article, if you want to write your SEO optimized content writer, if you want, here you can see all the options: mid journey prompt generator, complete book in one click, human like rewrite, YouTube script creator, buyer persona legend. You can write each and everything, and here you can see that we have 5,128 prompts. Let me show you one prompt. Here you can see that you want to write full SEO optimized article. Here, click on this. Here you can see that it's here. I will write article on AIPRM. Here you can select the output language. Here you can select the tone, emotional. Here you can select the writing style. So I'm keeping it simple. Let me take it and let me search it. Here you can see that continue. It is asking us to continue. Here you can see that it has written a complete article on AIPRM, which is SEO optimized, which is 100% unique, which is human written, which is like human written, which has no AI, artificial intelligence. Here you can see that what you need to do, just copy this article and paste it on your website and just wait to get the result. Here you can see that we have complete article in complete organization form. What else do you need? You can also select other prompts, but here you can see that we have a lot of new things. You can select different things from here. So this is all about today's video. This is one of the best extension I have been using for ChatGPT. If you think you have learned something new in this video, you can click on the like button. If you have any suggestions, you can comment your suggestions. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button. We'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.